Hello guys, welcome. As we learn about fundamentals of remote sensing, GIS and digital cartography, now we have to move our practical things, and today in this video I am going to introduce about QGIS software, like how to install and about tools inside of the software. Okay, that is most important part of this whole course. Okay, so first I hope you understood the fundamentals. So it's good to understand, because during your practical things, during your hands-on practice, those things will be needed. So I hope you did your job and you got the idea behind the basics of GIS and earth observations and digital cartography. So first you need to install the QGIS softwares. So just open your browser, any browser you can use, but I always prefer Google browser. Okay, and simply just type qgis.org to download your software and enter, and just click on download now. This is latest version of QGIS. Okay, QGIS 3.24. Okay, and just click on download. Here you can see the latest version. You can use any of these, doesn't matter, but always go for update version and just click on it. It will start downloading in few seconds. You can see here it will start downloading. Okay, and after completing the download, just click on your QGIS software here, and just wait a second. You will get the options. Just click on next and then accept license agreement, and then again next, and check all these options, and then go for next and click on install. Wait for a while. It will take around 4 5 minutes to install. Then click on finish. So you can see your software somewhere, or you can simply find here QGIS desktop, and I want to create a shortcut. So just you can drag your shortcut QGIS and just double click on it, or you can also click here as you do with the other softwares. Okay, now it will take some time to open. So if you want to get to know about more about QGIS, and you want to find the capability of QGIS and in which field and how you can use in different way, so just type doc.qgis.org. Okay, so you can read more about the software here. Okay, just simply type qgis.org, or maybe you can also type doc.qgis.org. Okay, yeah, for the first time the software always take time because it's restoring the plugins, because I already used this software in this laptop. So some data is already in my laptop, so this software is fetching. So now your software is here, so you can always click on new empty project, or you can also click here. Okay, so you can see the workplace. This is workplace. These are the tool you can find shortcuts. Okay, so first you have to install some important plugins, okay, which I already installed, but I am telling how to install these plugins in your system or in your QGIS. So just go here and click on plugin, okay, and click on manage and install plugins. Okay, just wait a while, you will get this type of window. Plugin, all plugins are here. Okay, so just you need to type according to your requirement. Okay, so I am just finding, because we will need some plugins to our module. Okay, so I'm typing here geo referencer. Okay, geo referencer. G dot. Okay, it means this plugin is already installed, or maybe it is not available. So always go for a setting. So just click on show the experimental plugins and show also this deprecated plugins. Okay, then go all, and again just type georeference. Okay, so it was appear before and this is also appearing now, but sometime you have to set these settings. Okay, just click on it and just install. Okay, now this plugin is here, okay, on your toolbar. Now another plugin you can find, coordinate capture. Coordinate capture, you can see here coordinate capture, and just select this coordinate capture and click on install plugin. This is also done, very easy. Then we also need spreadsheet. Okay, you can see spreadsheet layer here, just click on it, then install plugin. This is also done. Then last one, most important, you need some base maps like OpenStreetMap, Google Map, right? So if I show here, just I'm closing it for now, and from web we don't have any base maps here. Okay, so we need to install our base map plugin. Just click on it again and just go here in the search bar and type open without space street, okay, map. Okay, then try to see open layers. Yeah, definitely you can also call it open layer or open street, and there are many more. Okay, so open layer plugin you can install experimental. Okay, this is also done. Now I'm closing it and just go on the web and go here. Now you have your open layer plugins. Okay, you have all the Google Maps here, whatever you want to use. Okay, open street map also, Bing map, OSM, and etc. So if you want, I just want to show one example to you, Google satellite. Okay, in few minutes it's going to appear. Okay, you can zoom it by scrolling your mouse always, so you see. You can always zoom as much you can. Okay, so these open source map you can use as a base map. Okay, so you need good internet speed for this kind of work, definitely. And if you want to close it, this is your layer bar. So you can see whatever you are opening here on the workplace, it will appear here. So if you want to remove, just go here and just remove layer. Okay, okay, I'm just introducing the tool. During exercises, I will show you how to add data and how to remove them properly. Okay, how to add attribute, blah blah blah, how to search your tools and other things. And one more important plugin is SEP, semi-automated classification. Okay, so just go on your plugin, manage, and type SCP. See, semi-automated classification plugin, which is already installed. This is for satellite remote sensing. You can process your satellite data in it, like combining the bands from the different satellites, and you can create your land use land cover map from this plugin. Okay, there are many options for the remote sensing work or digital image processing work. Just select it and install it. I already installed, so I don't need to install it again. It's very simple to install, and then close it. Okay, then this is tool for create a new project. So always click on it when you want to create new project. Okay, so it will appear like this. You can open your project which you already saved. Okay, this is save button for your project only. Okay, this is your for the print layouts. You can set your print layout here. Okay, these are the tool. You can see zoom in, zoom out, and magnifier and all. Okay, so and in the project you can always save the files accordingly, and you can design your layout, and you can use exit QGIS from here too. Okay, this is your edit. Whenever you work on a particular things, those feature will be appear. Okay, then view whatever you want to show in this window. Here on the toolbar you can check here. Go in the toolbar, whatever here is checked, it is appearing on the software. Whatever is unchecked, this will not going to appear. So you can see here what you will need it, just check them. Okay, that is the things you need to understand. Then layer, definitely you can create layer like shapefiles. Okay, like GPX file. And if you want to add your different kind type of layer, like I introduce you, add vector data, add raster data, there are many other formats you can add, and you can work on them. Okay, and there are other option we will going to, I already introduced this is only for vector. You can see the different tools here. We will work on it. Okay, just try to see the tools so you will remember where is the tool, because there are lots of tools. Okay, so you can see your tools here and read about them in the documentation. You can always follow the documentation. Okay, this is for rasters only. Okay, what you can do on the rasters, this is for developing a database. This is for web map, if you want to add your web maps. Okay, like Google Satellite, OpenStreetMap, you can go for it. Okay, this is SEP, this is mesh calculator, this is SEP. We will going to use the SEP plugin for different kind of words. And then processing, you have your toolbox and graphic modeler. We are not going to do modeling here, but we have the toolbox, and you can use this toolbox, and you can also go for shortcut. You can, if you remember the tool name, you can type here, you will get your tool. Otherwise you can go inside of this, there are lots of tools inside. Okay, okay, that is the basic introduction of your QGIS. I hope you guys able to install your QGIS and you can always follow document. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will going to start with some exercise, but first I will going to introduce how to download the data from the different open source platform, and then we will start our next step like exercise. Okay, thank you, bye bye.